In this video, we'll show you how to create app folders on your Samsung Galaxy phone so you can group your favorite apps on your home screen or the app drawer. So to do this, you'll first need to locate one of the app that you want to add in the folder. Once you have found it, simply long press on it and then tap on select here. Next, you will need to select all the other apps that you want in your folder. So simply select your apps and then tap on this create folder option here. You'll see it at the top. This will immediately create the folder. You can then give your folder any name you like. So we'll just name it test. Note that you won't be able to move it by default. For that, you will need to go to this sort menu here and then select custom order. Once you have done this, you should be able to move the app folder anywhere you like. You can also move it to a different page if you want. So simply long press on it and then drag it to a different page. You can also add this folder to the home screen. You can then place it anywhere you like or even add more apps using this plus icon here. You can also customize the app folder's color. So if you have a bunch of folders, you can give them different colors like red, orange, blue, and so on. Finally, you can also enlarge the folder. So simply long press on it and then tap on enlarge. So this will give you a large preview. You can also open apps directly without opening the folder. You can also shrink it back to its original size if you want. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.